Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Sunky STEM Academy. So in our previous lesson in physics, we discussed speed, distance, time, and how to change from kilometer per hour back to meter per seconds back to kilometer per hour. So in today's lesson, we are going to be learning another new concept that is similar to speed and distance, and that is what? Velocity and displacement. But before I continue with this class, who can tell me what speed is? If you know the answer, please drop in the comment section. If you are really following my class, you will know what speed is. Please drop that in the comment section. Now, before I commence with velocity and displacement, I would like to give you a simple demonstration. All right? Suppose I have... It's not lighting very well. Suppose I have house. A. And I have another house here. And I call it house B. If I move straight from house A to house B, the shortest distance from A to B is referred to as displacement. Do you get it? The shortest distance from house A to B is referred to as displacement, but there must be a direction. Because if I do the direction of this now, I can say that I'm moving forward to the east direction. Because from the cardinal point, we have north, south, west, and what? East. So that means I'm moving from A to B in what? East direction. So this is displacement. So you can therefore say that what? Displacement is distance, or let me put it like this, is the shortest distance moved in a specified direction. So it's similar to what? To distance, but not actually distance. This one has a direction, distance does not have direction. Okay, because this is a vector quantity, while distance is a what? A scalar quantity. So with this concept now, we can now get the definition of velocity. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement with time. This is the definition of velocity. So mathematically, velocity will be what? Will be what? Displacement over time, unlike speed. Actually, I don't want to tell you the answer, but let me just tell you. Speed is distance over time, while velocity is what? Displacement over time. So that is just their difference. They are similar, but they are actually different. So velocity is a vector quantity, while speed is a what? A scalar quantity. Another thing is that in this case, velocity considered direction because of the word displacement there. Do you understand? Why speed does not consider what? Direction. Do you understand that? So now, this is the formula for velocity, displacement over what? Time. Though they are now measured in the same word unit, because displacement is also measured in meters. So of course, time remains as seconds. So velocity will be what? Meter per seconds. So both velocity and speed, they have the same dimension. All right, and they also have the same what? SI unit. Please note that. But the difference between them is that one is a vector quantity, the other one is what? A scalar quantity. And when you talk of vector and scalar quantity, that means you are considering direction for one of them. You don't consider direction for the other one. Similarly to displacement too. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is a what? A scalar quantity. They are both measured in the same word, meters. All right. So let me just give a little, let me give one or two examples on this to understand this better. Suppose a student moves 100 meters, 100 meter east in 20 seconds. Now you're now asked to find two things. Find the speed, look at, and the velocity. Now, to find the speed directly is distance over what? Time. Don't forget that. The distance is what? 100 over what? 20. So this should give us what? 5 meter per second. You will not add anything like direction. So for you now to find velocity, look at velocity now. We said it's displacement over what? Time. So that will be what? Still 100 over what? 20. That should give us 5. But you will not leave it as 5 meter per seconds because it is supposed to have a direction. You just write 5 meter per seconds east. That's all. That's the difference between speed and velocity. Speed will not take the what? The direction, while velocity will take the direction. Okay? So that's what I have for you today. If you have any question at all, please kindly put all these things to test, on your own personal study. You get questions to solve on this, and you are good to go. All right, but if you require a one-on-one class, private lesson during this summer break, you can actually send us a DM. So we'll commence with that. All right, so please, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a like, share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Facebook page, TikTok page, and same here, YouTube page. I'll see you guys in the next one.